Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze NVIDIA. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. NVIDIA has a market cap of $408 billion. The stock price while recording this video is about $160, and they operate in the semiconductors industry. During the last 10 years we can see that NVIDIA has absolutely crushed the S&P 500, and that is with the dividends reinvested for the S&P and for NVIDIA. Now some financial data. Their annual sales growth the past 5 years has been 31.3%. That's amazing. And same goes for their earnings per share, over 43%, also extremely strong. The analyst expects some weaker earnings, only 21%, still extremely good. The return on capital has been 28%, also extremely impressive. And the debt compared to the free cash flow is also very low. Now, some yield data. Here we can see that NVIDIA doesn't have that great of a dividend yield, only 0.1%, but they have actually been paying out a dividend for quite some time now, so I thought it was quite fun to see a dividend scorecard for them. They bought back 1.6% of their shares last year, and they are only paying out 4% of their earnings, so of course they have a very large room of increasing that small dividend. But they are not increasing it at a very rapid pace, only 2%, and has not been raising their dividend any consecutive years. But all in all, it's still 7 out of 10 on the dividend scorecard. Let's check the valuation. Here we have NVIDIA in fast graphs, and we can see that during the last recession, 2008-2009, they didn't fare well at all. Their earnings got slashed by over 80%. But after that, it has been just an amazing growth story. And during this period, the last 15 years, we can see that they had an annual growth of their earnings of about 19%. And it's also credit rating A in the S&P. If we also plot the normal PE, which is of course quite high, when the company is growing like this, it's 32. And the current stock price, we can see that it has been extremely overvalued for quite some time now. It peaked at about $330 and went down all the way to $112 in just about a year. So you have to have a really strong stomach to have NVIDIA in your portfolio. If we project out to early 2025, analyst expects an annual rate of return of 6%. Let's see if they are usually right. Here is the analyst scorecard, and we can see that they miss about 17% of the time. Otherwise it's a hit or beat. So the predictions are fairly predictable. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest videos where you can see 5 great dividend stocks for December shopping. See you soon!